Hi everyone. In today's class, we'll see one of the coding question which was asked in the recent times. Write a Java program to read n numbers from the user into the array and implement the following. Means here they have given certain kind of requirement. Let us try to understand what is that requirement. For every element in the array, the wide sum of that element is calculated as the sum of all other elements in the array except that element. Okay. Finally store in the new array and display the result, right? So to get more meaning about this given statement, they are given simple example. Number want to read, so I am trying to read three numbers. Those three numbers are 2, 3, 4. That is what they have given. And what is the meaning of wide sum? Wide sum means it is going to be calculated as sum of all other elements in the array except that element. Means the wide sum of the number 2 is sum of all other elements except that number, right? What is the sum of all other numbers? 3 plus 4, 7. What is the wide sum of 3 except the number 3 remaining 2? That is 6. What is the wide sum of 4? It is 5. For example, let me try to have an array something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the wide sum of 1? Wide sum of 1 is 14. What is wide sum of 2? 8 plus 5, 13, right? Wide sum of 2 means except 2, remaining all. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5, 13. Wide sum of 3 is 3 plus 4, 7, 7, 5, 12. Wide sum of 4 is 11, right? Wide sum of 5 is, which will be 10. Right? Like this, you have to produce the result, right? So for that, you have to write a simple Java program, right? So let us try to write from our end. So let me try to create a class. The class name is wide sum, and I am trying to have a main method to execute any kind of Java program. Yes, guys, first I am trying to take it from the user. Enter number of elements wants to store in the array. Store in the array. Good. Then user trying to enter, right? So in order to take input from the user, I have to use scanner class. Scanner s equal to new scanner of system dot in. Yes, good. So that I am trying to read in the form of n. So sc dot next int. Done. User has entered how many number of elements you want to enter, right? So based on that, I am trying to create an array. Int is array. Int array of values, or let me call as data, equal to new int of n, right? So how many elements want to store, that much size of amount of memory I have created, right? Based on that, I need to take this number of values, right? So simply I can go with some for loop. Int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. I am going to ask the user to enter I plus 1 value. Enter I plus 1 value. Am I right? Yes. Right. Once user trying to enter, so we have to store it in array, right? Again. So to store it in array, I am going to go with data of I. Means data of 0 equal to what the user is trying to enter, sc dot next int. Good. Yes. User whatever the enter, that I am going to store in the 0th, right? If he is trying to enter the 5th element, that will be stored in the 4th location, right? Like that. So here they are asking us to simply perform the wide sum. Means sum of all elements minus except the respective element, right? So what I will do now, while trying to read the value, I am trying to count all the sum of the array values. So for that, what we can do, let me try to have one integer sum. Int sum equal to 0. Let me go with sum equal to sum plus data of I. Data of I means which will for to find total sum of all values, right? Instead of iterating every time, while reading the data itself, I have added their sum. Good. Yes. So then once the user entered the values, finally you have to display the result, right? Display the result, right? Sys out of wide sum of given array is, wide sum of given array is, I am trying to print their values, right? So you have to print their values for, again, for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. I will try to print its array as, or let me try to print there itself, or else we'll go with a new array. Array name is int w wide equal to new int of n. Good. I have created wide array, right? So here I am trying to make it as wide of I equal to, wide of I equal to total, right? So total means what? Sum minus wide of I, the respective location I am trying to remove. And then I am trying to, okay, fine, let me close this array, so that this is meant for to calculate wide sum of arrays, right? Then finally I am going to print it again. For loop for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, simply sys out of, let me make use of wide of I. That's it. Okay guys, let me try to execute it. Hope it will work fine. Enter number of elements you want to enter. Let me try to go with 4. Enter the one value, 1 2 3 4. Guys, when I enter 1 2 3 4, your result should be 1 2 3 4, your result should be 9 and 8, it will be 7, it will be 6, 9 8 7 6 you have to get, right? Let me check that. You got it as 10 10 10, so which means we made somewhere result wrong, right? So which means wide of I, so this is not wide of I, this should be data of I, this should be data of I. Okay, should be again 4 1 2 3 4, yes, 9 8 7 6, right? If you want to execute with actual input, I think they have given as 1 2 3, right? 5 4 3, so they have given as 2 3 4, right? Yes. Okay. Anyhow, we'll execute once again. Enter the number of elements you want to enter, 3 2 3 4 7 6 5, right? 5. So this is the general way you can able to solve the given problem. Hope you understood clearly. Thank you.